Here we've got WIEPPO S5, and let me show you how to change your voicemail alert on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the more icon and select settings. Now just click on calling accounts and here click on play. Now go to additional setting to voicemail, the first option here, and select sound. And here, as you can see, you've got the whole list of ringtones that you can apply, so let me show you all of them, starting with default ringtone. And I will just volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And then just pick the one that you like the most. So let me pick, for example, I can choose Dear Dear. Tap on OK. And as you can see, ringtone for your voicemail has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.